Hello class, we're going over the water cycle today in science. The water cycle is the movement of water. There are 4 parts to the water cycle: collection, evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. Let's get a closer look at collection. Collection is the first part of our water cycle. Collection means that's where the water starts. All water starts from some body of water. Can you guys think of any examples of collection? Some of my examples of collection are oceans, ponds, rivers, and lakes. There are several more, but these are some of our main large bodies of water. After collection is evaporation. Evaporation happens when the water is heated by the sun and it turns the water into a gas. I want you guys to notice the word vapor in evaporation. Water vapor is caused when the water is heated or boiled, which causes the water to turn from liquid to gas. Here are some examples of water vapor. As you can see in this body of water, we could see some of the steam or water vapor coming up from the water. Another example we see in our home is when we are boiling water. We could see the steam or the water vapor that comes out of the pot. This is caused from the water being heated or boiled to cause the water vapor. After evaporation is condensation. This happens when our gas water that was evaporated in the air cools and turns into a gas. This is how clouds are created. When so much of a large amount of moisture begins to build up, it creates clouds. After condensation comes precipitation. Precipitation happens when water falls from the clouds. And this happens because the amount of water in clouds becomes so great that snow, rain, sleet, or hail begin to fall from the clouds. Here is a wrap-up of our water cycle. It starts with collection, and then that water is evaporated by the sun, and that water that is evaporated becomes our clouds, and eventually precipitation happens, which can be through rain, snow, sleet, or hail. I want you guys to remember that the water cycle goes in a cycle, so this whole process is continuous, just like a wheel on your bike. So we can start from evaporation and go to condensation, or start from precipitation and go to collection. The process never stops, and that's how we get our weather every day, and how we can see steam in our own house, and how we even have clouds. I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson today and learned a lot about the water cycle. Have a nice day.